Side hustles Australians are genuinely getting paid for in 2026. No hype, no fake gurus, and no expensive starter kits. Just realistic ways to earn extra income, the platforms people are actually using, and a couple of scam warning signs that could save you from wasting both your time and your money. Before we begin, remember one simple rule. A real side hustle pays you for your time, your effort, or your skills. A scam asks you to pay first. Whether it's a registration fee, a starter kit, a monthly membership, or access to exclusive opportunities, if the money is flowing toward the company before it's flowing toward you, that's usually your sign to walk away. One of the most popular side hustles in Australia is still food delivery. Uber Eats and DoorDash continue to dominate the market. Drivers commonly earn between $20 and $32 an hour before expenses, and eligible car-based drivers are now covered by a minimum earning standard. The downside is that fuel, insurance, and vehicle maintenance all reduce your take-home pay, and your income is directly tied to the number of hours you work. If you'd rather spend your time with pets than customers, pet sitting is another great option. Apps like Pawshake connect pet owners with trusted sitters, with many earning between $25 and $40 an hour. Overnight stays are often paid as a flat rate, making weekends especially worthwhile. Best of all, you don't need expensive equipment or a large upfront investment to get started. Another surprisingly profitable side hustle is buying and reselling. Many people search garage sales, op shops, Facebook Marketplace, and local clearance sales for underpriced items before reselling them online. With consistency and a good eye for value, it's possible to earn anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a month. Think of it as treasure hunting, except your map is a spreadsheet. If you have strong knowledge in a particular subject, online tutoring can offer one of the highest hourly rates available. Many tutors charge around $100 an hour, with HSC and VCE specialists often earning even more. You don't necessarily need to be a qualified teacher. You simply need to know the subject well enough to explain it clearly and help students improve. Math, science, and English remain some of the highest demand subjects. For people with administrative or accounting experience, bookkeeping is another excellent opportunity. Australian small businesses regularly look for freelancers who understand Xero or MYOB to manage invoices, payroll, reconciliations, and other financial tasks. Depending on your experience, rates often range between $40 and $90 an hour, and affordable certification courses can help beginners become job-ready in a relatively short time. Freelancing is another option that's grown rapidly over the last few years. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow Australians to work with clients from anywhere in the world. While general writing can be competitive, specializing in areas like finance, legal content, graphic design, programming, video editing, or web development can dramatically increase your rates. Experienced freelancers regularly charge between $70 and $200 an hour. The biggest challenge is getting those first few reviews, but once you've built trust, freelancing can become much more than a side hustle. Before starting any of these, it's important to understand tax. Every dollar you earn through a side hustle is generally considered taxable income in Australia and is added to your regular income. A smart habit is to immediately set aside around 25 to 35% of every payment into a separate savings account so you're prepared when tax time arrives. If you're invoicing clients, make sure you apply for an Australian business number or ABN before you begin. Without one, businesses can legally withhold a significant portion of your payment for tax purposes. If you're receiving Centrelink payments, remember that side hustle income also needs to be reported through MyGov. So, which side hustle should you choose? If you need extra cash quickly with very little setup, delivery driving, pet sitting, or reselling are excellent starting points. If you already have valuable professional skills, focus on tutoring, bookkeeping, freelancing, or another service that lets you charge based on your expertise rather than your time alone. Finally, avoid the mistake that catches so many beginners. Don't try to start 3 or 4 side hustles at once. It's a fast track to burnout. Instead, choose one opportunity that suits your schedule, stay consistent, and give it at least 90 days before deciding whether it's worth continuing. There are plenty of legitimate ways to earn extra money in Australia, but success usually comes from sticking with one good opportunity long enough to improve.